Hello everyone, welcome to SS Tutorials. This video is a practice tutorial for beginners that exercises various tools and features of SolidWorks. This is a sketch given in the left side of the screen. We will see how can we prepare the CAD model of this sketch by using SolidWorks tools, and the most importantly, how can we prepare this model in very quick time. So let's start. First of all, we will select front plane, make it normal to, go to sketch. From the sketch, select the drop down arrow and select midpoint line. Click on the origin and drag your mouse on one of the side. Click outside. Press escape button. Go to smart dimensioning. Click on line and give the dimension 88 mm. Again select line and create these lines. Press escape button. Go to dimensioning. The height of this base plate is given 6 mm. Also create two more lines. Press escape. Go to trim and trim out these two lines. According to sketch, this should be 25 mm. So make it 25. Now select a rectangle, select corner rectangle and create a rectangle here. Press escape. Go to smart dimensioning. Let the height of this rectangle be 1 mm as it is given in figure. Again click on trim entities and trim out this line. Now we have created one side. Now go to mirror entities. In entities to mirror, click on these three lines. And in mirror about, just click on right plane. Click OK. Now go to features, select extrude boss. We can see the width is 38 mm. So just click on mid plane and select distance 38 mm. It will extrude 19 mm in both sides. Click OK. Now the base is ready. Again go to front plane, make it normal to. We will draw the upper portion. First of all, go to sketch, select a rectangle, select corner rectangle, click on this point and click here. Go to smart dimensioning. This should be 38 mm, which is the distance remaining in between these two plates, and height is not given here, so let us assume it 25 mm. Again go to trim and trim out this line. Create another rectangle. Like this. Since the thickness of this wall is 5 mm as given in sketch, select smart dimensioning, make this 5 mm. Since it is disturbing the previous figure, we need to go back. Just press Ctrl Z and make this line fixed. Now give the distance 5 mm here. Now it is okay. Again go to trim entities, trim out this line. Click OK. Since it is showing some yellow lines, it is over defined. So just click on some dimension and delete them. Now it is defined. A fillet radius of 8 mm is given in sketch. So just click on fillets. Click on these vertices like this and provide the fillet radius 8 mm. Click OK. Now the sketch of upper part is ready. Now go to features, click on extrude boss base. Again select mid plane here. The width of 32 mm should be given here. So just enter distance 32. Select enter. Now click on OK. We have just created the upper portion. In the sketch you can see the fillets are also provided at these corners. So just click on fillets, select these corners, since fillet radius is not given, let us assume this 10 mm. Click OK. Now the fillets are provided at the corners. Now we will prepare the top holes. So just click on this surface, make it normal to, go to sketch, select circle from here and create 2 circles here. Go to smart dimensioning. The dia of this outer circle is 26 mm, 13 mm radius is given, and dia of the inner circle is 14 mm as given in sketch. Now go to features, click on extruded boss again. The height of this cylindrical portion is given 13 mm. So in distance just type 13. Click on OK. There are 4 holes in the base plate. Just click on the top surface of this base plate, make it normal to, go to sketch. First of all create a center line here. Press escape and make 2 circles here. Go to smart dimensioning. The distance of center of these 2 circles from this center line is 7 mm. The diameter of these circles is 4 mm. And the distance of center of circle from these outer lines is 11 mm. Now the sketch is prepared again. Now go to feature, select extruded cut. You can see in preview, this is going to be a blind cut throughout this base plate. Click OK. Now we got these two holes here. Again we want two more holes on this side. For this, go to mirror in feature manager. In mirror face plane, just select right plane, and in features to mirror, select extrude cut from the design tree. You can see in preview, the holes are mirroring at the required position. Just select OK. So in this exercise, we have taken extrude boss feature, extrude cut feature, trim entities feature, 2D fillets and 3D fillets. And this is how we can prepare this model in very quick time. I hope you got something beneficial for you in this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.